Welcome to Aptitude Concept video. Let's look at the problem based on straight line, coincide and right angle concept. So in this type, you will get the problems like this. Let me show the example first, then we'll discuss the problem one by one. So you will get a problem like this. At what time between 4 and 5 will the hands of the clock coincide? You need to find the exact time between 4 and 5 of exact time between 4 and 5. That is exact coinciding time between 4 and 5. Similarly, at what time between 4 and 5 o'clock will the hands of clock be at right angle? So you have to find the exact time once again in this scenario also. Similarly, at what time between 4 and 5 o'clock will the hands of clock point in opposite direction? So you have to find the exact time between 4 and 5 o'clock where the hands of the clock coincide or right angle or straight line. You will get three types of problems in this concept. We can solve these three types of problems with simple formula. So here is the formula. You can easily solve this problem using this simple concept. The first one is straight line. If you want to find the exact coinciding time, just use this formula. 5h plus 0, 12 by 11, or you can directly use 60h by 11 to find the coincide time. Similarly, if you want to find the right angle time, you have to use this formula. 5h plus or minus 15, 12 by 11 minutes past h. That is, plus or minus means you will get two right angle in one time gap. For example, if you want to find the right angle between 4 and 5. So, first right angle will be around 4, 5 and second right angle will be at 4:37 something. Okay, so you will get two right angle in one time gap. So you have to use plus as well as minus. If you use plus, you will get one answer, and if you use minus, you will get another answer. Third one is you have to find the exact time for straight line. That is 5h minus 30, 12 by 11. If the hour value is more than 6, that is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the second formula, if hour value is less than 6, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So exactly at 6 o'clock, the hands of the clock will be at straight line. So no need to substitute any formula. So at 6 o'clock, the hands of the clock will be at straight line. Before 6, you have to use this formula, and after 6, you have to use this formula. So simple concept. Let's try to solve this problem based on this. At what time between 4 and 5 the hands of the clock coincide? So we know the direct formula which we have discussed now. It is 60h by 11. Here we have to substitute the lowest value for the h. So here lowest value is 4. 60 into 4 by 11. So basic substitution, if you simplify, you will get 21, 9 by 11. So the hands of the clock will coincide after 21 minutes 9 by 11 seconds from 4 o'clock. That is, you can write as past 4. What time between 4 and 5 o'clock will the hands of the clock be at right angle? So right angle, we have discussed the formula. So that is 5h plus or minus 15 into 12 by 11. So 5 into h value, you have to take the lowest value, plus or minus 15 into 12 by 11. Substitute this value. If you substitute with a plus, you will get 420 by 11. If you substitute with a minus, you will get 60 by 11. So if you simplify, you will get 38, 2 by 11, and if you simplify, you will get 5 by 11. So it means the hands of the clock will be right angle after 5 minutes 5 by 11 seconds and after 38 minutes 2 by 11 seconds from 4 p.m. At what time between 4 and 5 o'clock will the hands of the clock point in opposite direction? So for opposite direction, 5h plus 30, because here h value is less than 6. So you have to take this plus 5h plus 30 into 12 by 11. So if you substitute, you will get 20 plus 30 into 12 by 11, which is equal to 600 by 11, and the value will be equal to 54 6 by 11. It means the hands of the clock will be in opposite direction after 54 minutes 6 by 11 seconds 4 p.m. That is past,